exciting event happening this coming weekend, the end of January, in Savannah. With us now is Harry DeLorme. He's the Director of Education and Senior Curator at the Telfair Museums. And we're very, very excited to have you with us, Harry. The festival is called the Pulse Art and Technology Festival. So welcome, and tell us a little bit about what's going on the next few days.
Sure. Thank you so much. No, I'm glad to be here. And we have a really exciting event coming up. This is an annual event here at Telfair Museums in Savannah. We've been doing it for some time now, since we opened our Jepson Center for the Arts. And we bring in artists from all over the world who are working with technology in really interesting and creative ways. This year we have a featured exhibition of interactive art by a pair of artists from France who go by the name Scenocosme. And they have these really fun interactive pieces that you either touch or walk in front of to trigger. And I think it's something that all ages are going to enjoy, but that's just one part of it. We have a lot of programs for all ages that are part of the Pulse Festival.
Yes, I'm excited. On Saturday, the 28th of January, the Beaufort Digital Corridor will be hosting a youth workshop. So share with us what that's all about.
Yeah, well, youth education and STEAM education is a big part of Pulse, has been over the years. We really want to try to engage young kids, folks with technology, and teach them how to be creative with it. So I want to thank Jess O'Brien at the Beaufort Digital Corridor. She set up a couple of great programs. So Saturday morning, we're doing a Scratch workshop. Scratch is a programming platform used to teach programming, animation to students, young students. So we'll be hosting that here at the Jepson Center in the morning. And then in the afternoon, we have a free family day, and that's open not just to Savannah residents, but all residents of Beaufort County. And the Beaufort Digital Corridor will be hosting a video game demonstration that afternoon with local game developers showing their work in the atrium of the Jepson Center. So it should be a lot of fun.
Now, is the admission free for all of this, and do you need to sign up on your website? So talk about that.
So there are some events that are free and some that are not. So the opening night, Thursday night, we're going to have a members opening reception. It's also available to non-members with I think it's $20 for adults and $5 for students, and that includes a reception. We'll have a lecture by the featured artists, as well as a local artist here in Savannah, who's also going to be showing large-scale projections in the museum. But some of the other events are free. For example, we have a free Friday night with a dance performance using interactive visuals. That's from 6 to 8 Friday. That's free and open to everyone. Saturday afternoon's Family Day is also free and open to everyone. So we're looking forward to welcoming a big crowd for both of those events.
So Harry, you mentioned earlier that you've been doing this for several years. So how has the festival changed over these several years?
Well, every year we try to bring something new and different, something that audiences here have not seen before. So for a lot of folks, coming to Pulse was the first time they saw or got to experience virtual reality or augmented reality art, or AI even. We had an AI exhibition a few years back. So it's a little different every year. Last year we had some beautiful infinity mirror light sculptures. This year, we couldn't actually touch things for a couple of years due to COVID. So we're back to touching things now. So we have these pieces with spandex screens, and as you press into the screens, you can create effects. So we're kind of getting back to this theme of contact, of being able to have contact with other people again, but also exploring exhibitions in a very tactile way. So that's something that's new this year, something we're getting back to this year.
It's so innovative and unique. Is this like a one-of-a-kind type festival certainly in the Southeast, maybe in the country?
You don't see too many of these in the country. There are a few out there, but we're the only one in our areas, in our region. So we're really happy to be able to provide this kind of experience, present this kind of art, because you have to go to a much larger city or a different part of the country to experience it otherwise.
Harry, for those that might not be aware of the museums, where are you located in Savannah?
We are located right in downtown Savannah, historic Savannah, and we are on Telfair Square. The Jepson Center is on Barnard and York Streets in downtown Savannah, and that's where all the action is this coming week.
All right, so check it out. It is the Pulse Art and Technology Festival. Harry, thanks so much for joining us and filling us in all the great activities coming up. Good luck. It'll be fabulous. Thanks.
Thanks so much for having me. Hope everyone has a chance to come and enjoy it.
Absolutely. Thanks, Harry.